Hello and welcome. Today's problem is electrical machines gate 2003. This problem is asked for 2 marks. The problem is to conduct load test on DC shunt motor. It is coupled to a generator which is identical to the motor. The field of the generator is also connected to the same supply source as the motor. The armature of generator is connected to a load resistance. The armature of resistance is 0.02 pu. Armature reaction and mechanical losses can be neglected. With rated voltage across the motor, the load resistance across the generator is adjusted to obtain rated armature current in both motor and generator. The pu value of this load resistance is. The options are A 1, B 0.98, C 0.96, D 0.94. The solution to this problem is, first we have to check the information given in the problem. To conduct load test on DC shunt motor, that is a shunt motor is used to connect the load test, and this load will be coupled to a generator, and this generator is also connected to the same supply source as the motor. The field of this, that is the field of motor and field of generator, is connected to same supply source, and the armature of generator is connected to a load resistance. The armature of this generator is connected to a load resistance RL, and the armature resistance is 0.02 pu. That is armature resistance for both, because both are same, so 0.02 pu. Armature reaction and mechanical losses can be neglected with rated voltage applied across the motor. The voltage applied across the motor is rated voltage. The load resistance across generator is adjusted. This value is adjusted to obtain rated armature current in both motor and generator. That is, this is adjusted to get rated current of motor and generator. The value of pu value of this load resistance is, that we have to calculate. So from this already given that the information about the motor and generator is similar in constructional, and armature resistance everything is same, and armature reaction and mechanical losses are neglected, so that rated current is obtained in both motor and generator. This is motor, this is generator, by adjusting this load resistance. So that means Ig, generator current, equals to motor current equals to rated value. All the values have been taken in pu. That is Ig equals to Im equals to 1 pu. Now the value of back EMF in motor. Why? Because the load test is conducted for the motor only. So first Eb equals to Vt minus IaRa. All the values have been taken. This is rated voltage, so this is have been taken in pu, that is 1 minus Ia is also 1 pu into armature resistance is 0.02 pu, and this is equals to back EMF Eb 1 minus 0.02, which means 0.98 is back EMF. And the total output power developed for the motor Pm equals to Eb into Im, which is 1 pu Im, and Eb is 0.98 into 1, which becomes 0.98. This output power only applied to the generator as input power to generator. That is Pg, generator input power, equals to Eg into Ig, where this power equals to this power, which is equals to 0.98. So that Im is 1, Ig is 1. So we can get Eb equals to Eg equals to 0.98 is the value. And again we have to calculate the load resistance RL, but here we have only Eg. We need terminal voltage Vt by Ig, generator current. But here we have only generator voltage, Eg. From this, Eg equals to Vt plus IaRa, formula for generator. And Vt can be calculated as Vt equals to Eg is 0.98 minus Ia is 1 into Ra is 0.02, which is equals to 0.96 is terminal voltage. And RL equals to Vt is 0.96, Ig is 1, which is equals to 0.96 ohms. This is the answer. And the answer is C, 0.96.